Set. Move.
Sworn to serve, calming chaos, steady nerve. From traffic stops to silent halls, they guard the ones who gave their all. Guided by repeals, time-honored creed, they act with care, not just with speed. With honor, war, and duty, the police dance for all. They walk with pride, clad in blue, steadfast, protecting peace in every place. With clear voice and heart, they play compassion's quiet part. Lincoln's vow, forever true. To care for those who fought for you.
Second in Maine with that Arkansas 472 Bravo Kilo Sierra. It's on.
They shield the brave who bore the fight, guarding valor with gentle might. From LETC's gate to veteran side, they serve with courage, strength, and pride. Integrity leads each quiet patrol, protecting the soul, respecting the role.
Alright, I'm Officer Swindell with the Veterans Affairs Police.
For every veteran in every place, the VA police our duties face. They are the calm, the light, the grace, America's shield in silent space. Shield of honor.